General Evaluator, and Vijayanand in particular. Today you gave us a keynote address. When you started off the speech and you gave the title, Stickability Improves Ability, I thought it was a romantic midnight masala drama which was going to happen. What sort of stickability? Which sort of ability? But it just took off from there. Now you gave us an analogy of the shop, and let me evaluate you with those very 4 words, SHOP. S for the simplicity. I think so. It's very brilliantly said that simplicity is the most ultimate sophistication, and you showed that with your simple points, with your simple humor, with your entire speech, which was so simple, but even then struck a chord with all of us. The H for the head. You had a very logical appeal for the entire speech. You started off with that brilliant example of Thomas Alva Edison, Wright brothers, and the founders of Facebook, and you kept giving us example after example of several Toastmasters, whether it were the founders Sirajur Rahman, or whether it were the normal Toastmasters who have made it really well logically by sticking on to the movement. The O, I think, was the brilliant organization and the opportunity which you took. Organization because 3 simple points. You need, if you start to stop, it's easy to start it, but it's not easy to shut down. Did it shut down? You had the 3 simple points which you elaborated, and the opportunities were combined with your sense of humor. So brilliant. John Bosco has 500 children as mentors, and Rajdeep has only 1. Good, isn't it? You're keeping track of my married life. Okay. You had a lot of humor which you got out. Speech 4, how to save, the next week I proposed, and you talked about Avinash Avlandi, how he went and he and the Priyanka went out. You had opportunities, and every time you got an opportunity, you used the word. I think so, Vijayanand, your spontaneity combined with your preparedness makes you a master speaker. Now the last P are a few corrections which I want to make. P for the passion and the pointedness. The pointedness, although you had 3 points, I think so, since it was an inspirational speech to persuade the audience to stick on to the movement, I think so that didn't come out that well. When you say that you need assets to run the shop and you need outstanding assets, Bangalore Toastmasters have brilliant assets. You have Rajdeep Manwani, you have Anmolgar, whatever, okay. You have all of them, but you have to say if you stick on long enough, you can become one of them. You can become as a master speaker, you can win the district champion. So that pointedness should have come out. Or when you say that there are transactions, you brought out all the committee members and then Mohindin sitting next to me, both told, Abhi mera naam bolega, mera naam bolega. You told 4 people's name, Godfrey, Daksh, Ratan Shetty and Prakash Francis. Poor Venu. Hapless Vaidyanathan, all of them have at least just a mention of them, isn't it? So, just that bringing out that pointedness, bringing out those examples with a purpose would have made your speech come out even better. Just to end with you, 3 lines for you, Vijayanand. Today, Vijayanand, you took us through a journey of how to set up the Toastmasters shop. Just a little pointedness would have made your speech come on top. But if Bangalore Toastmaster is a field, Vijayanand, you are one of its finest crop. Thank you so much.